Alright, we are at the parking elevators at 100 North Tampa.
There's parking elevators on like the North Tampa.
Oh, it's got a keypad.
Yep, it's pretty cool. It's similar to an iconic one, but
Yeah, it's like the ones that, it's like the ones at the JW Marriott and the other Marriott that has the
Yeah.
touchscreens.
Oh yeah, Marriott Waterside.
yeah.
Yeah.
Here we go.
These are really fun. Well, yeah.
Oh wait, I want to show you something.
This has. Oh yeah, is it the stuff on the outside?
No, you'll see. That's cool, but.
Oh, is it the 15th floor?
14th floor.
Oh.
You have selected the accessibility mode of operation. Press button when you hear desired.
Oh yeah, because these only go up to
Press twice
14.
cancel. Lobby.
Press it.
Going to floor lobby.
So yeah, these only go to 14, but the low-rise or mid-rise bank in the tower,
It's your cab view.
like they only go as low as 16. So 15 is like a mechanical floor probably.
Oh, I want to tell you something funny that happened to me at the Marriott Waterside.
What happened?
After this video.
All right.
So there it goes.
That's it. And there's another one right there.
It's on a peacock, right?
Yeah, that makes sense. And that's it.